If you're struggling with finding the best entries or just lacking the confidence on when to take trades and when to exit trade, this new system, 10x trading system, is one of the most popular systems among our members. And it's a TradingView buy and sell signal indicator that works on all markets and time frames. So basically, these signals are generated during the candle forming and they are confirmed at the close. These are non-lagging and non-repaint signals, and they are based on price action, trends and levels, and tested and used by hundreds of our members with great success. One of the popular strategies on the 1 minute chart is also adding a 50 EMA. Now when the 50 EMA is sloping up, that basically tells us that the trend is up and we want to focus on buy signals. So we can be more aggressive with buy signals when the EMA is pointing up. When it's pointing down, we can be more aggressive with sell signals. So for example, here we see that all these sell signals here is basically catching tops just before they start off a strong leg down. So very good sell signals here. And as I said, when EMA is pointing down, we want to focus and be more aggressive with sell signals. Buy signals in a strong downtrend is usually only pauses and should be treated as quick trades against the trend. So here we have a trending up market again. Buy signals are the start of the move, and because you get the signal during the candle forming, you have time to prepare for the trade and enter trade at the close, and usually you see a very strong move from that signal.